Number 15. The 1966 Plymouth Fury 1, priced at $3,500. Located in Singer's Glen, Virginia. This classic sedan has 66,000 miles on the odometer and features a 318 cubic inch wide block V8 engine. The rust-free body and original paperwork add to its value. While the engine turns over, it does not currently start, making it a great project for restoration. Comes with a clean Florida title. Perfect for someone looking to transform it into a comfortable cruiser with a bit of effort. If you're interested in learning more or contacting the car owners featured in this video, feel free to click the link in the description below. Number 14. The 1974 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $6,500. Located in Richmond, Virginia. This classic two-door coupe has only 70,000 miles, making it a great option for muscle car lovers. It's equipped with a 350 engine with a 4-bolt main and is paired with a 305 transmission. The car runs well and is drivable right away. The black interior is in excellent condition. It's in good shape overall and ready to hit the road without major repairs. Number 13. The 1959 Rambler American, priced at $7,000. Located in Russellville, Arkansas. This classic compact car has only 14,700 miles, showing very light use. It runs and shifts well with a 6-cylinder engine and a standard manual transmission. The car comes with a clean title and operates smoothly. The seller is open to offers or trades, making it a flexible option for the right buyer. Number 12. The 1965 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $7,500. Located in Navarre, Florida. This compact sedan runs and drives great, featuring a 3-speed manual transmission and a rare 273 cubic inch V8 engine in a 4-door body style. Recent updates include new carpet, rear shocks, and bushings, with solid, rust-free floors throughout. The second owner provides extensive original receipts and notes, adding to its charm and collector appeal. Perfect for a classic car enthusiast. Number 11. The 1976 Chevrolet Caprice Landau, priced at $8,000. Located in Raleigh, North Carolina. This classic Caprice Classic donk has 80,000 miles and features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 350 automatic transmission. It boasts Flowmaster exhausts, long tube headers, power windows, and a rear defroster. The custom candy tangerine paint and clean interior add charm, while updates include a new headliner and wrapped dashboard. Runs well with a slight lifter tick, has air conditioning and heat, and comes with a clean title. No trades accepted. Number 10. The 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, priced at $9,000. Located in Enfield, Connecticut. This classic convertible has a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission with a column shifter. It starts right up and runs great, recently revived from 2 decades of indoor storage. It features an upgraded aluminum radiator, aggressive Riddler wheels with new tires, and comes with factory wheels. The body is solid with some rust on the doglegs, and the interior is original with minor rips. The car includes a W30 hood, new valve covers, KYB shocks, and a boosted brake system. Trades are welcome. Number 9. The 1962 Cadillac Deville, priced at $10,000. Located in Aitkin, Minnesota. This classic luxury car features a blueprint 383-stroker crate engine with less than 500 miles and a freshly built 700 R4 transmission with under 20 miles. It has no major rust, only minor spots on the hood and doors. The car is in running and driving condition, but still a project that can be enjoyed as is or restored over time. It has a clean title and the seller is open to trade offers. Number 8. The 1954 Chevrolet 210, priced at $11,000. Located in Tonganoxie, Kansas. This classic features a Blue Flame 125 horsepower 6-cylinder engine with a 2-speed automatic power glide transmission. It has only 40,000 miles and retains its original Horizon Blue paint in good condition. The car is solid with new brake cylinders, a new gas tank, and fuel lines. It has been lowered by 3 inches for a sportier stance. The only interior issue is that it needs carpet. A well-maintained, solid car ready for enjoyment. Number 7. The 1962 Cadillac Deville, priced at $14,000. Located in Lexington, North Carolina, this classic coupe features a 390 cubic inch V8 engine with overdrive transmission, running smoothly and driving well. The body has some rust bubbles and the paint has imperfections, but it's still presentable. The interior is newly refurbished with a new headliner and carpet. It has a new gas tank, brakes, and water pump. The car has been lowered for a sportier look. While not perfect, it's a great start for a restoration. Cash offers only. Number 6. The 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $14,500. Located in Panama City, Florida, this low-mileage car has just 59,200 miles and is in very good shape. It features a dual exhaust system, air conditioning, power disc brakes, and power steering, all of which enhance its performance and comfort. The engine runs like new, ensuring excellent driving experience. A well-maintained classic muscle car ready to hit the road with all the upgrades for modern comfort and performance. Number 5. The 1977 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $14,500. Located in Chesapeake, Virginia, this classic compact car has 53,000 miles and is powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 engine. It features automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and rally wheels with dual exhaust. The car has a new battery, tires, fuel pump, gas tank, alternator, and water pump. The interior is super clean and it runs and drives great. The paint is in good condition except for some peeling on the hood and trunk. The seller is the second owner. Number 4. The 1961 Buick Electra, priced at $14,500. Located in Dahlonega, Georgia, this classic luxury car has 77,000 miles and features a 401 nail-head V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, and wide white-wall tires, it runs and drives well. The teal exterior and turquoise interior are rust-free and draw plenty of attention. Comes with a matching spare tire and a clean Georgia title ready for its next owner. Number 3. The 1965 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $15,000. Located in Columbia, Missouri. This convertible features its original 327 cubic inch V8 engine, runs and drives, and is presented as a project car. Recent updates include a new brake booster, water pump, gas tank, clutch fan, spark plugs, and brake hardware. Comes with stylish Dayton rims and an extra frame for restoration purposes. The car has a clean title and is a great starting point for a stunning classic rebuild. Number 2. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $18,975. Located in Windfall, Indiana. This classic muscle car features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, along with power steering. With around 79,500 miles, it runs and drives but needs some restoration. The trunk, subframe, and floors need attention, but the car has great bones for a restoration project. It has a clean Indiana title and is being sold for cash only. Number 1. The 1965 Plymouth Sport Fury 3, priced at $19,000. Located in Sikeston, Missouri. With only 64,500 miles, this classic car is in great shape and ready to drive. It features the original 383 cubic inch V8 engine and the original transmission, both highly valued by enthusiasts. The car has a new electronic ignition, rebuilt transmission, and new tires. While the clear coat is peeling on top, it's still a fantastic ride.